Okay, so yesterday we seen the things that are associated with your. Hope my screen is visible to you all. Please revert in chat box if my screen is visible and moving. Okay, Swapnil, is do you see the second slide? Okay, okay, that's great, that's great. So yesterday we seen about the basic introduction and the first visualization of Tableau essentials for visualization, and we also seen that why visualization is so much essential to implement, and what is the need of your say visualization in the area of business analytics. So that's why we've seen that how to. So the second day was for Tableau, but due to the lack of time, we left some topics in Tableau. So we will cover it today. Okay. I already given these three links to all of you. Okay. Moving ahead. Now we will move to the website again. So those who joined today, please go for the first link. That is your Tableau, Tableau public. Okay, Tableau public dot this one. Let me let me share my screen again. So you will be able to do as per the guidelines available in the screen. Just a moment. Let me share my whole screen. The voice, the mic is not getting unmuted. Okay, so let's begin from the very first thing. Uh, uh, those who joined today, let me revise the things in a fast mode. Okay, so we can see the further visualizations of Tableau and see the dashboard in Tableau. Okay, first of all, am I audible to all? Please let me know. Am I audible to all? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Great, great. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, my screen also visible to all of you. Okay. So, the very first link that I provided you is for Tableau Public. Those who joined today, please go to that link and create your account on that platform. That is your Tableau Public. Okay. Just a moment. Because if my login is already over there, I can't explain you the whole process. So the very first link is for Tableau Public. Click on that, sign up from here. You will see this type of window. Enter all these entries and sign up it. As usual, you sign up for the other websites. The same process over here. Then after, when you sign up, you must sign in. Okay. So just sign in again. You will get the credentials and the activation link on your mail, right? So just sign in again to the platform like this. Just hold on, let it move on to the main screen of the Tableau. You will find this type of interface with the Tableau public. Okay, and if you want to do your work online, then this is a web-based web interface. And if you wish to do your practices on offline version, then you can download Tableau Public. Just search Tableau public download in Google and it will show you the very first link. Okay. Now the next thing that we've seen, that how to use the platform in web. So when you log in over here, sign in over here, it shows you a blue button in right side. That is your create a wiz. Okay. Just click on that create a wiz. You will move to a new workbook for Tableau. Okay. It will ask you to upload the data from your local computer. Okay. So from where we will get the data sets. Now the turn is come with the Kaggle. Just go to the second link that I provided you, which is for Kaggle. Do the same thing with the Kaggle also. Sign up on this website also. So you will get the data sets from here that you needed to perform your practices on Tableau, and and many more type of data sets are also provided here. So once you get sign up here, search the very data set that we needed, that is Superstore. Okay, I will move in some fast mode because we already covered all these things in yesterday's session, and we always have a short of time. So in 10 minutes I have to cover up all, revise all these things, those who are joined today. Okay, so from here, when you search Superstore data, you will find this thing, that is Superstore data set. Click on that and you will find this, all the details about the data set that is over here, the entries that it contains, right, the activities that are performed with this data set, that how many views, how many downloads, and all these type of things, right? So this is all about this data. Now you have to download this data from here. Right top corner, you will find an option to download this data set. Just click on that data, click on that option, and you will find a archive file, right? You will find a compressed file, right? So just unzip that file and you will find one data set with it. Just a moment. Just like it, right? So you will find one archive file. Hope you can see now in a zoom version that you will find this archive. Just right click on it and unzip it. Okay, when you unzip it, you will find a Excel file in it, that is your actual data set, like this extract here, and you will find a data set that's name is sample superstore. This is your data set, right? So just close it and come back to your Tableau platform. Okay, what's up? Yes, Bhavani Sharma, do you have any doubt? You raised your hand, so I thought you have any issue or like that. See, welcome, sir. Thank you for joining. Now, what we see, this is the very screen that you will visible in Tableau. We already seen yesterday. So, upload from computer. Click on it and just go to the place where you have your file already saved here. That is sample superstore. Insert that data. Okay, after coming over here, just click on update now. This was the interface we already seen. To explain it in a deeper form, I don't think so. So just update, click on update now, so you can see what is the data available in this file. See, this is the whole data which is available in this file, or you can double click on that file and see in Excel also. So that will be more easier for you also to understand the data set that you have. And the very first thing that you have to remember in the career of business analytics, that you have to understand the database. So to understanding the database, you have to give your time to that database and to get familiar with the database. Because if you are not familiar about the database on which you are working, you will not get the information properly, right? So go through these data set, that what type of data are available in it and what are the things that is provided in this data set. We yesterday also seen, again I will show you. See, this data set containing various type of informations like row ID, order date, shipping mode, customer ID, customer name, like this. Okay, so as well as when we seen in the Kaggle format, go into the metadata. All these entries are already explained here. That what are these entries? Just taking an example of segment, the segment where the customer belongs, right? So what is this segment? Segment, consumer, corporate, like it, home office. So we have to understand what the data is about. Okay, now we moved ahead and go for the visualizations that we done yesterday. Okay, let me open that file we done yesterday, or let's go with the fresh things. Some of you are joined today, so they also get what we have done. In bottom right, bottom left corner, you will find another option of sheet 1. Okay, uh, Priya, why your Excel file is not showing data in Tableau? Click on update now. You see two options over there. One is your update now and update automatically. So click on update now. Sakshi, maybe your system, yeah, what is the configuration of your system? How much RAM is in your system? Because sometimes it get more time to upload as per the configurations also. Okay, I thought all of the others get uploaded their data. Once you upload your data, please let me know, Sakshi. Please do it. Okay, so now you see that these are the various attributes that are provided. Okay, so what it happens now, that these are the things, or you can say these are the headings of each and every row and columns that contains the data. Like if we talk about the country, country contains the different name of the country of the customer, right? If we say about the order id contains the id of the order placed by the particular customer, like this. Okay, so what are these things? Opening the excel file, these headings, right? So what is sales? Sales is a numerical data containing all these things, all these values of sales at particular transaction. Okay, so now we see the interface of Tableau. As we seen, this is a data panel where we see different type of attributes, or you can say fields over here. Okay. Second panel is about your pages, filters, marks to enhance the features of your visualization. You use these features, okay, for calculations. Okay. Next is a column and row. The similar things that available in Excel, we use columns and rows. Kargi, nothing. We are repeating yesterday's part. So there are approx 10 to 12 more participants joined today. So let them understand what we have completed. Okay. We didn't started anything new. You was there in yesterday's class also. So the yesterday's session is about to repeat now. As you can see, we are doing our first visualization of bar chart over here. I just explaining the interface again, right? So these are the columns and rows here, and similarly that we have in our Excel file. Okay, you can say that Tableau is a replica of Excel with many features, just like Windows 11. Windows 11 having many features than the previous versions, right? So like that. Sheet 1, where sheet 1 is mentioned, this is a frame where the working visualization will be shown. We will see that here are some tab values, or you can say your menu bar, where you will find the different functions, and on the top there is various tabs available: file, data, worksheet, dashboard, analysis, map, format, help, etc. Right? And the very last thing that we completed yesterday is how to save these worksheets. In right top corner you see an option to publish as, right? Click on that, publish as, and save it. First Tableau, or any name that you can remember, right? And click on publish. It will save your work. Okay, so to save your work you have to click on publish. uh, Name SAVE not available in Tableau web, so remember that you have to click on publish. Okay, moving on our first visualization. Before going to the first visualization part, we see what are the different charts available in Tableau. So in right top corner, you see there is an option to show me, right? Click on that. Just uh, you can view that sheet into your home page of Tableau, where your profile is open, where you find the option to create new ways. over there you can see that there is the project that you had done yesterday. Just click on that and then move to the project. Okay, let me show you. So many of you have completed that yesterday, so how to open that? Let me show you. This is the uh, home screen of your profile in Tableau, right? You can see this over here. Let me share the link of my profile. Test profiles here. Okay. So by visualizing this, you see a create a viz option here, and scroll down. You see the various project or the work that you had done in Tableau Web. So this was your yesterday's visuals. Okay, I am working on it right now. So this in similar way, click on that. This window will open as the sheet one is already blank. So in right corner, in right top side, you find an option to edit. Where is my cursor right now? Just follow my cursor. Okay, just below the resources, you will find the option of edit, add favorite, share, download, nominate, and then settings. So just click on the very first option, that is your edit. Okay, can you share the screenshot that uh, the error you are facing? Shubham, just share the screenshot. So now again, this is over here. Now you can work again on your platform or the project that you are working on. So go to the show me button, right? From here you find the various type of charts available in Tableau. Okay, so when you scroll your pointer, mouse pointer over any chart, you see there is a variation in below description, right? What are these descriptions? These descriptions tell you that what are the various fields that are needed to create this type of chart. You see two options over there. One is your dimensions in blue, and second is measures in green. So what is these things? As I told you yesterday, measures are the values containing your numeric terms or numeric entries, right? And dimensions are the part having your non-numeric values, right? So again, see in your left side chart, left side list of your attributes, that those who are with green color, bottom line, those who are in green color are measures, right? When you move your cursor towards upward side, the color change to blue. The blue color attributes are dimensions. Okay, like it. So those who are in blue color are non-numeric values. Okay. So now we will prepare the first chart that we had done a small example yesterday also, the bar chart. So what bar needs? Bar needs zero or more dimensions and one or more measures, right? So what is measures? Measures are these things. And what is dimensions? Dimensions are those who are non-numeric. So just selecting one measure with us, One measure, one measure, one measure. We will select sales. Drag and drop this into rows. Okay. What will you do? Drag and drop it into rows. What has happened to you? Couldn't save workbook, public validation exception, workbook saved to public must use extracts to create an extract, liquid data source and create extract. You are not working with the Tableau public must use extracts. But I thought you is not an extract because what happened, you are just inserting the Tableau sample superstore as it is. Just extract that. Yes, unzip the file first. You are right, Yashaswini. Sagar, do you have any doubt? Okay, fine. Okay, done, done. Good, 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 good. Now, what is your second option now? Just use your sales part. You see on the sheet 1 option below. Click on the sheet 1 source. Okay. When you will click on the sheet 1 in just left bottom side, bottom corner, you see option of sheet 1, right? So click on that. You will see many options available here. These are the headings of each and every detail entered in your Excel file, or you can say entered in your data set, right? Now we will create the first visualization, that is your bar chart. Okay, so just drag and drop your sales. I just dragging and dropping the sales value into rows. It will show you this type of chart, just one bar over here, which is the total sum of the sales. Okay, so the chart is created as per the description shown in your show me option. Okay, it needed one or more measures and zero or more dimensions, right? But we need more descriptive and as per the subcategories. We have to categorize this data as per different type of categories available in the data set and to elaborate all kind of other things. So what we will do, we will drag and drop the subcategory into columns like this. Okay, click on show me button again, it will remove one publish. Yes, got it. Okay, good, Sumukhi. So we already seen these charts yesterday also. Now who will tell me that how to show the numbers over each bar? What we have to do? What is the function that will show the data over each bar? Label them, right? Drag and label. Good, Sumit. Good, Yashashwini. Good, good. That's good. So just drag and drop sales in label. See, the data are now visualizing over each bar, right? Now it is more informative. Good. Now what we want, good, Anshuman. Label them. Apeksha, good. That's right. Now we want to categorize these datas and to give more informative look by using colors. What we have to do, let me know. Subcategory in color. Vivek, you are right. Good. Putting subcategory, drag and drop in colors like this. See, and in top side here, see my cursor in top menu bar. Here is option to fit. So by just clicking on that and then click on entire view. See, the chart is fixed now. Yes, good, good. Now moving ahead with the next chart. Okay, you can do many things with these charts. So we don't have much time to see each and every part of this segment. So we will move ahead and create 2 to 3 type of charts, and we will prepare the dashboard of that chart. Okay, so to to have the next tab, okay, what you have to do, you have to start the next sheet, that is your blank sheet. In left corner where the name sheet 1 is available, just right click on that sheet and rename it. When you right click on sheet 1 and click on rename, it shows you to rename that file. Say it's bar chart and click enter or OK. Okay, the name sheet 1 is changed to bar chart, as well as the name on the heading of the chart also changed, that is bar chart. Sakshi, just drag subcategory or anything that you want to implement on your chart, drag that subcategory into colors over here. Let me show you again. Drag subcategories into color like this. See, it implemented the colors on different bars. What it happened here is these dimensions, when we use dimensions in color, they categorize the data set in different colors, right? So dimensions are always used to categorize the data. Okay, got it? Good, Sakshi. Now click on the second option in left below, the very first option for the new sheet. Okay, now what we will do, we will create a new chart. Okay, now see, you know, from the previous one we have a bar chart, and just do the same thing, just create the same chart again into your next one. What we had done, sales into rows, subcategories into column, right? Your sales in label and your subcategory in colors. Seen all the options? Okay, this time I am removing your subcategories that contains the color. Just drag and drop again to the list, it will remove. Okay, so adding and removing any field is so easy. Just drag and drop it from one place to another, right? Now what we will do, we need to compare two parameters through these charts. What we will do, we have sales in this section of rows. So this chart is for sales versus subcategory, right? So what I need to know, I need to compare sales and profit with these subcategories. So there must be two charts now. What will happen? See, again, drag your profits, drag your profits from here to this point, like this. See, it creates two charts right here. Just drag and drop the color section again to the list. Let me show you. This is the bar chart we prepared. See, here is the subcategory in colors over here. Just as you drag and drop this subcategory into colors, similarly again drag this from here to the list right here. It will remove the color. Okay, if you drag and drop again it into the colors, it will give you the whole scenario again. I thought you got that. Is your issue to change in color is resolved? Okay, moving ahead. Okay, that's good. Moving ahead with sheet number 2. We have two charts right now. Okay, the first one that we already create in previous sheet number 1, and the second chart also the same. Both are same charts, right? So both are bar chart also. Now we have one thing that we need to compare these charts in a single visualization. Sumit, what happened when we add profit as second rows? The previous label is added to it. Yes, Vivek. What? Yes, that's right. What? That's you are right. What I would need to you need to say me that just remove the sum of sales from here. Remove the label from here. From all tab, just remove this one from here. The label will be removed. Because that is by default present in all section. See in marks. Here in marks, there are three options available. One is all, second is your sales part, that is this, right? And the third one is your profit, which is this one. So you need to label your sales and profit separately, and you have to insert the attribute in the label of your particular section of profit, not in all, sum of sales and sum of profits. So what you need your label in sales. So click on the sum sales, then drag and drop the labels over here. See, the label is only in sales section now. And similarly with the profit section, drag and drop the label of profit. Wait, see, now the both things are different. Yes, Vivek, I already told this thing. Did you got what I told you? Got it. Okay, so that's great. Now we need to compare both of these charts. So what we need to do, we need to merge these charts into a single visualization. So my marks section didn't have option. Why? Yes, Gargi, you can edit yesterday's sheet also in similar way that I shown you. Just click on that thing and click on the sheet. I will show you again. If you are not getting how to edit the previous sheet, do you need to know? In right top corner, the very first option, Gargi, when you open that sheet, you will see in right top corner, there is an option, very first option, the symbol is over there with some page and a pen sign. Click on that. That is to edit the option. There is only copy, nominate, and download. Don't worry, I will let you know. I can see that today again we will stuck on Tableau. Let all the doubts be cleared. We will not leave it in any case. Let me explain the things from the beginning, or we can say just moving with the steps. Okay, I am solving the issues one by one. We have resigned, then only we can see the edit option. Resign? No, that's not the issue. Anshuman, that's not the issue. Okay, okay, okay. Gargi, we will solve your issue very first. Let me save it. Let me cross it. Okay. Here is my profile. Okay. Gargi, uh, Gargi, do you see your profile page? Let me know. Yes, sir. Okay. Then click on the this section. This is. You see your last work over there. As you can see, many projects here. Similarly, did you see the last project you worked on? Click on that, like it, like this one. You got the visuals? You got these visuals, Gargi? I will let you know all the points. Don't worry, Sakshi. From the things, let move on step by step. Gargi, did you find it? This type of visuals are over there. Not this type, but the visuals that you created yesterday. Already done, sir, but there is no option of edit as like your profile. But over here is the option to edit, na? See in the right top corner. Here, there is an option to edit. Click on that option. It will let you move towards the working project. Okay. Moving further, no, Vivek, I will tell you now that now see again. I am removing all the things, drag and drop back to the list. What we had done, just create the same chart that is prepared in bar. Okay. What we had done, what we need to do in creating the bar chart, the very first things is your sales into rows, then subcategory into columns, right? Okay, Gargi, please send the screenshot that you see over there. Okay. Now what you have to do, don't insert the labels here because that makes you confused. Now again, to create the second chart, drag and drop the profit in over here along with the rows. Okay. You created two charts now. Now what will happen? You need to label these two charts. And to label these charts, we have many options available here as all. In marks, see in marks, there is an option marks. Like when you click on sales, it will show the options for sales, and third options is for profit. Okay. So if you need to label the profit tabs, or you can say the bar of profit, so click on profit, then click this profit and drag into label. You just see labels on your profit line. Now click on sales and drag and drop your sales in label. See, now the label is different for both the charts, right? I thought you got it. Okay, fine. Now what we need to know? We need to we need to compare both these charts. A comparative visualization we need to see over here. What you have to do in that, see carefully. See, this is the step in which you will combine both these charts. What you will do, you see a small down arrow here in sum of profits in rows column. In rows column, there are two things. One is your sum of sales and second is sum of profits. So just click on the down arrow of profits. See, there are many options available here. When you click the down arrow, right? So now go to the second last option, that is dual axis. You all found the option for dual axis? Are having any doubt? Or anyone is not able to see where is this dual axis option? Do you all got that? Click on dual axis. Okay, got it. Satyam, good. Now the chart changed, but it is not so much effectively showing the analysis, or it is not much comparative. What we have to do, we have to change the type of chart, right? So for that, from where you can change the type of chart, see here. Again, we have three options. One is all, second is your sales, third is your profit. So go to the profit section. Both chart are same in numbers, they are identical. Kushi, because you inserted the label in all section over here. Don't insert the label in all section. You have to insert or drag and drop the properties of sales and profit over here in this section. See, in sales, this is all, the third one is your profit, right? So when you enter or drag and drop the label in particular section of profit and sales, then your values will be separated. Got it, Kushi? Issue resolved? Let me know. Okay. So now we will change this chart. We have three options again. All, sum of sales and sum of profit. My all doesn't have option for some sales. Yes, you don't need to have the option in all and some profit. Why you are not having these two options available here? Did you follow the same thing that I done? That drag and drop sales here and profit in rows, sales and profit in rows, and columns in subcategory. Do this thing very first time. Okay. Now you done this, you merged both of these things. Now we have to separate these visualizations in different way, because it is not like a comparative chart. So again, go for the sum of these profits, and here you can see it is automatic. Tableau automatically creates the circles. See these circles, Tableau created automatic. What you need to do, click over here and change it into line, like this. Here you found automatic, click on that and change it into line. That's it. Got it? Similarly, move to the sales section and change it into bar. This. Is it now more informative and more comparative? Do you all got it? How we created this comparative chart? Anyone having any doubts? Good, Shubham. Good, Vivek. Good. Uh, yes, Somukhi, please let me know what the issue you are facing. At what point I missed something in between. Kushi. Okay, let me explain you this again. Let me create it again like that. Worksheet, clear the sheet. I have a blank sheet now. Follow what the steps I am performing here. Okay. As you know, we prepared a bar chart. Okay, regarding the line chart, I let me show you once again in fast mode of 5 minutes. Just do the bar chart section, a simple bar chart. As you know how to create that bar chart here. Now drag and drop the profits into rows also. So it will create two type of charts here. Okay. Now you need to merge these charts. So what you have to do, you have to click on the profit sum of profits. Click that part, the very right corner. You will find an arrow. Click on that. It will show you the second last option to make it dual axis. Click on that dual axis. It looks like this now. Okay. So now the turning point comes. You see all sales, sum of sales and sum of profits over in center of your marks, right? What you need to do, you need to change the shape or the structure of the chart. So first go to the profit, go to the profit section, go to the profit section. You will find here an option to make it automatic. Tableau will analyze it automatic when you click on automatic, but we need to change it. So click this option. You will find a variety or various type of shapes that you can change. So just click on line in this section. Okay. And in sales section, change it into bar. Now you got it. Now you got it, Sumukhi. Okay, great. Now you have to label these charts. So what you need to do, just drag and drop in sales and profit separately, not in all. Remember that thing. Not drag and drop any label into all. You have to work in your sum of sales and sum of profit. So this is your sales. What you need to do, drag and drop into label. See, similarly in profit, drag and drop your profit into your label. Right? Now you can see there is a variation. Fine. Okay, good, good. Now you can change the color also. You have your sales data. Drag and drop subcategory into colors. Your sales data, drag and drop subcategory into colors like this. Now see how beautifully the comparative chart is prepared. Now what you observed in this chart, you have to let me know what you observed. What is your analysis from this chart? You all prepared this dual chart. Now let me know what is your observations. We will take a very fast break of 5 minutes, but you have to observe this chart in these 5 minutes and let me know after 5 minutes that what you observed. I need your analytical mind that what you had observed in this. Sumku, just drag and drop your subcategory title into colors of profit. From no, not in profit, in your sales. You will get it. See, sales is in bar and profits is in line chart showing various numbers. Yes, Sakshi, you are right. What portion you missed, Kushi? Sumit, this is very basic thing for a particular subcategory. How much sales we did and total profit for that category. If we will do it in separate charts, then also we analyze this thing. But we need to implement some comparative analysis also now. What is the problem you are facing, Khushi, with your all profit and sum? Are they are not visible in your chart? Can you send me the screenshot so I can see what mistake you had done? We will back in 5 minutes. By 10:30, we will back. Okay? Take a quick break today. Okay? And Khushi, send me the screenshot over here in chat box. Comparing reason why sales and profit this chart is showing. That's that's good, Dipti, but think more of it. Yes, that's right. Shubham, Rajiv, you are right. You done the right thing. Okay, you are good. No, you, Shubham, you put both the things in a same panel. See, you labeled sales and profit both in a same panel. Remove this part. Remove these two parts from here and drag and drop into separately. Label in sales. Click over here. You will find the same properties or features in sales also. So this is a section for profit. Don't use sales section over here. Remove it and put it into sales section. Your problem will be resolved. Yes, Sakshi, that's fine. Second, yes, this step is also correct. Click on this section, some profit. You will find a small arrow over here. Click on that. Click on dual axis. The previous thing you done, this is through the dual axis, right? Then what you have to do, you have to label, you have to change this automatic into line and bar. Here you are sum of sales. Here is your sum of profit. So separately do it. Sushi I seen. Mm, this is not correct. Okay. Okay, that's good. You done sales and quantity. Good. Sumit, good. As compared to others. It shows the relationship between products sold by the store, how much they sold, and much profit they get. The bar is sales and line in the front. The more the sales, the more. No, you said very correctly, Yasin, but the last line is not correct. The more the sales, the more the profit. That's not correct. Again, observe the chart. One measure represent one axis and other measures the second axis. Yes, Dipti, that's right. Phones and shares are having more sales and profit. Right, Noor. You are absolutely right. Good, Sakshi. You done it. That's good. Nice visualizations. Yeah, you can send Gargi and take the screenshot what you prepared here and share in group also. WhatsApp group. So if you are facing any issue, your community friends who are also associated in this session will resolve your issues each and every time, and lifelong your trainer will not be available with you, but the community that is connected at this point will be with you. Someone told me as the sales is increasing, the profit is also increasing, but that's not true. If I see over here, the sale is your 1,89,000, but the profit is very low. Whereas the sales of copiers is 1,49,000 only, but the profit is 55,000. See how intelligently and how beautifully it is comparing the things. Copiers have its maximum profit here, but see tables have their sales of 2 lakh and plus, but the profit is negative, means tables giving the company a loss. Okay, that's the major observations. The maximum profit is from the copiers with 1,49,000 sales, whereas in tables the sales is good, 2 lakh plus, but it is giving the losses to us. Right? See, the chart goes in negative. Phones have greater profit. Where is phones? Yes, over here. The profit is 44,000 only. Copiers are giving 55,000. Shri, got it? Okay, moving ahead. Now we will prepare a dashboard. In 15 minutes, we will prepare all these things. A simple and a very interactive dashboard we will prepare now. Okay. Those who are facing some issues that their chart is not visible on the full screen, then what you have to do, see this panel over here in top of your you can say the panel list. Okay, over here you find an option that says standard, fit width, fit height, entire view. Click on entire view. Okay, it will make your chart in full screen. Fine. So sir, profit to sales in percentage might be a better way to show. Yes, that's better. You can prepare another chart also. Shubham, the screen is not so big that you can avoid the overlapping. It is due to the resolution. If you work on a large screen, then there is no overlapping of the data. Tableau manages as possible as it can. Okay. Shri, you can try another chart by using the percentage option in categories over here. Here you can find uh, that the sum, here the sales, having the sum of sales. Click on it, you will find it here, measures average, median, count, percentile. Here the percentile. Okay, so by using these things you can change the aggregation of the chart. Okay, let's moving to the third part. Okay, in bottom where you find the sheet 1 and sheet 2, our next task, that is dashboard, is available in the center. The square with plus, this symbol in bottom menu bar. Click on the middle symbol that says new dashboard. Just click on that. You will find this kind of sheet here. Okay, just make it size, increase the width, decrease it, and adjust into your screen. Okay, height, oops, so short, make it 600. Okay, fine. So uh, did you find the option for the dashboard one? Hope you all clicked on that. If you find the option for dashboard one as I shown you in the bottom part, dashboard one over here, in between your sheet and last option. Sumukhi, go to the bottom of your Tableau screen where you clicked for the sheet number 2, that is your option number 1, and click the second one, which is new dashboard. Click on the new dashboard option. See my cursor? See here. Here is my cursor. Click on this part, this option, this symbol that is showing your new dashboard. Click on that. You will find your new dashboard. Okay. Now here what you will see, we will see in the next session, that what is dashboard and what is layout. What we will see today, to customize the size. The second option is to customize the size of the screen. You can adjust it from here. Just change the width and height as per your convenience or as per your screens. Second, your sheets, bar chart and sheet number 2. These are the two charts that you prepared today. Okay. Then it's your objects, how to, what will be the layout of your chart or your dashboard is over here. So let the other things as it is and we will focus on it. You have two sheets in this section that you just prepared. Again, what we will do, drag and drop into it. The same chart is appearing over here, right? Now what you will do, sheet number 2, drag and drop over here. Adjust where you want to see this, like it, this one, this one, this one. Wherever you want to drop it, just drop the chart. Now see, both the charts are in a single view. Yashashwini, you have drag and drop these two sheets after customizing your size into the blank panel. Wherever you want to drag and drop these two sheets into your panel, you can drop and adjust it. Okay. So let me prepare one more chart in a quick way so you can understand how these dashboards are useful. Good, Satyam. Don't follow it with me because we have a short of time, and just for the demonstration I am preparing one more chart of a globe. Okay, just for the sake of understanding, I am preparing a visualization with the maps. I just prepared one more chart with the map section. Okay, now going back to the dashboard, it get refreshed and see I am having the third chart also over here. So by inserting this also into our chart, come here like this, adjust your chart, and now see, you can visualize all these charts into a single panel, right? Again, make it more larger, one more click. Good. We can move one more. Good. Okay, so you can observe very easily from here that all the charts that we prepared are now visible on a single screen. Okay, so with whom you wish to share this chart, will be helpful for the stakeholders and the person who want to understand the whole story behind the uh, uh, data set through this dashboard, because this dashboard is a comparative analysis of all the parameters that we use in a different charts. Using different charts, different features, you inculcate all these charts into a single screen now. Now you can explain all these things on a single place. That's what we said a dashboard. Fine. Hope you all got what we prepared today. Tableau is a very vast area, and there are so many features that we can't complete it within a day or two. Fine. So we are just discussing the concepts of different tools, what these tools do, what kind of features these tools have, what type of analysis and how the analysis are performed in these tools. Okay, like that. So, if you wish to go for the detailed studies of these tools, you can avail the full courses. As I also told you yesterday, that the full courses are very useful to you, that you can understand all the things into a vast area of opportunities, because Tableau itself have many opportunities in the industries, because Tableau means the expert in visualizations, and Tableau developers, the visualization developers, and there are so more opportunities and more profiles available. Why, Gargi, only one sheet is visible to you? Maybe you just prepared one sheet. Share the screenshot. Okay. Let me show you uh, one more website, that is our home page of website. Just go on this website. Okay. Sign up with the option of sign up. Okay. And you will see so many courses for data sciences and your data analytics, business intelligence, business analytics, like data science with Python, machine learning, R language, and many more courses are available here. All these courses work with the live data from the industry. They will give you the exposure of a very nice environment from the industry. That's what I'm suggesting you, that go through these things, and if you are interested to go for the uh, full courses, just drop a message to me. We will discuss on it, that what are the opportunities, what type of courses you can avail, because after availing the full courses you will be able to design anything. You can create many insights from the sources, right?